Hi everyone. Saving money is a fundamental aspect of financial well-being. It provides us with a sense of security and enables us to achieve our long-term goals, such as buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. So how to do saving money effectively? The first step to saving money is to create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Start by listing all your sources of income, and then list all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and debt payments, and variable expenses like food, transportation, and entertainment. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cutting back on eating out, finding cheaper alternatives for your hobbies or entertainment, and lowering your utility bills. The second step to saving money is to make saving a priority. Set a savings goal, such as saving 10% of your income, and make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Consider setting up automatic savings transfers to ensure that you save a certain amount every month. You can also try the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. The third step to saving money is to avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to saving as it eats up a significant portion of your income in interest payments. If you have debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating your debt into a lower interest loan or transferring high-interest credit card balances to a card with a lower interest rate. Finally, consider ways to increase your income. Look for opportunities to earn extra money, such as taking on a side job, selling unwanted items, or starting a side hustle. Increasing your income can help you save more money and reach your savings goals faster. In conclusion, saving money is an essential aspect of financial well-being. To save effectively, create a budget, make saving a priority, avoid debt, and look for ways to increase your income. With these tips in mind, you can successfully build a strong financial foundation and achieve your long-term goals. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like and subscribe button. See you in next video.